Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some beautiful hairstyles. So tie the ponytail, now tie half of the hairs in the between. Now fold the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then roll it over the bun like this. Fix it and your hairstyle is almost ready. You can put the hairpins over it and the hair clutches to fix the hairs properly and it's done. I hope you liked it. Further, we'll be taking the hairs again from the sides like this. Next, tie the hairs as shown in the video and then rotate it. Now pull out the hairs from the sides little bit as shown in the video. Pull the hairs from the top. Now make a ponytail. Tie it from the end and then rotate it from the between like this, or just fold it upward and fold it around the rubber bands on the top and put the bun pin in the between. And your bun is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Further, moving to the next hairstyle, we will take the hairs from the back and tie it on the back. Now take the hairs and make a ponytail, divide it from the between and then fold it upward and fix it in the half using the rubber bands. Now again fold the hairs upward one more step and then put the hairpins to fix the hairs on the top and make a bun. Tie it from the sides and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the ponytail to make the next further hairstyles. For that, we have to make the ponytail and make the plaits on the hairs. Tie the hairs on the downside and then we will fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. So pull out the hairs little bit from the sides and fix it in the between on the plaits like this and fix it inside the rubber band. Fold it upward and put the bun pin in the between to fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, again further, we'll be taking the hairs like this from the sides, tie it on the back and divide them like this. Now fold them on the alternative sides in the small sections. Now on the left side, we will tie all the hairs and fold it on the upper side like this. Tie it using the rubber band and then fix it on the top using the hairpins, or just fold it like this and put the pins over it to fix it. And your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Further, moving on to the next hairstyle, we will take the hairs and make a ponytail. After making the ponytail, rotate the hairs like this. Fold it carefully as shown in the video. Now divide the hairs into two parts like this and pull it carefully. Now we will comb the hairs and then tie it at the middle of the hairs like this in the ponytail and then fix the hairs by folding it upward and make a bun. Put the hairpins on the sides to fix the hairs properly and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail to fix the hairs. So make a ponytail and then pull the hairs out from the top and the sides. Now divide the hairs into two parts and roll it. And then fold it upward to make a bun. Now spread the hairs from the between and put the bun pin in the between to fix the hairs tightly. And your bun is ready. Further, moving on to next hairstyle. For that, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after tying the hairs, put the hair clutch over it like this. Now tie all the hairs together and make a ponytail. Now divide the hairs from the between and tie it like this. Now divide the hairs by folding it upward and fix it inside the hair clutch on the top. And your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.